Hi everyone, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make more money, and how to increase customer satisfaction. More money in tips wise, not per batch, but just the tips that our customers leave, and higher ratings, so they go hand in hand. And also we have to keep Instacart happy with us by having high ratings. So stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up so I know to produce more of this content. If you like my face, subscribe. That would be so nice. And I do more videos. Like I just did a video last night. I'll link it right here if I can figure that out. I'll link it right here, and it was, if you ever thought about doing another side gig on top of Instacart, I do sell on eBay and I get my product from a wholesale company. So I reveal the wholesale company and I open a mystery box full of goodies to sell. So if that's of interest to you, click on over, head that way. Now to talk about customer tips. So I've been on the other side of Instacart before I was an Instacart shopper, and I've had people go above and beyond, and it made me change my tip in the end. So sometimes I feel like as shoppers we can just be really focused, and we're busy, right? We want to get our batch done, we want to get it delivered. We don't want to have to send 3 messages to the customer. We don't want to have to take the time to look so hard for items. But I don't know, it really pays off in the end. Like I've always said, I want to work smarter, not harder. So I'm going to share the 3 messages I send to my customers. Now, I've compiled this from a few different Instacart people that I don't remember. So if it was you, thank you. But you can take it and modify it for yourself. Some stuff just didn't sound like me or was unnecessary wording, so I changed it, and it will show up right here so you can copy it, or right there. So when I push start shopping, immediately I send my very first message. Now it's sent with emojis, smiley faces, just very cutesy, cheesy, but it's fun to read. It doesn't make it just this long, boring, "Hi, I'm Melissa, I'm shopping for you." No, it actually seems like I'm very excited to be there for that individual, and that I'm their personal shopper for them for that day, and I'm happy to be here. So the first thing I say, I'm going to read this because I don't remember, is, "Hi, this is Alyssa, your personal Instacart shopper," little emojis. "I will now begin shopping for your items. Please watch your phone for notifications in case I need to make substitutions. If you have any special requests or want to remove or add items, let me know. Also, if there is anything you need that you couldn't find on the website, let me know and I can add it to your order. Thanks for using Instacart." Now, if somebody's looking at their app, they're anticipating someone shopping for them, they will always answer back, "Thank you so much." Or I've gotten people say, "I really appreciate you today. This is a lifesaver for me." I mean, then I don't know, just kind of motivates you to get in there and do the best job you can. So it's kind of a two-way thing. You're letting them know that you're here for them, and they're giving you that feedback of that they appreciate it. So it's nice. Now, the special requests portion of it, that I can add items to the order that's not on the website, this works so well. I mean, so well. How many times have I been at the store and I see an item, I love an item, I get it every time, and then it's frustrating when I'm ordering Instacart, it's not on there. For whatever reason, I don't know the Instacart back end, but it's not there. And I go, oh, maybe I should just drive to the store and get it myself because I really want this certain bottle of wine, this certain spice, whatever it is. So I'm going to say 50% of the time, they'll say, you know what, thank you. Can you pick up this for me? And we all know that if we add something to an order, it automatically will up our tip if it's based on percentage. And it also gives you a buffer. If you can't find something and you have to cancel an item, which normally lowers the percentage of your tip, it kind of gives that buffer. So that's a must right off the bat, is sending that one. And then when I'm ready to check out, I say, I'm finished shopping and headed your way. You can track my location on the Instacart app. I have insulated bags that will keep your items cold and your items hot. If you're at a business or an apartment complex, please leave me how to find your building. If you are located in a gated community, please let me know what to do when I arrive at the gate. If you purchased alcohol, please have your license ready as I'm required to scan it to complete the transaction. Thank you. It was a pleasure shopping. So this has saved me time because sometimes I'll get a text saying the gate code is 54321. I mean, whatever it is. Or I live in an apartment, this is what building I'm in, because that's not always displayed. And sometimes I hear nothing. Sometimes I send all these messages and hear nothing, but at least I'm consistent with it. And I will deliver the items. Sometimes I get to the door because they're anticipating me and they say, oh my gosh, you were fantastic, I really enjoyed you. Can we ask for you next time? Which obviously you can't. I've had that happen a couple of times. So I know that this is working out for me to have this much communication with them. After I drop their items and before I push complete order, because once you push complete order, you can't go back and send them a message anymore. All the messages are closed out to you. I say, it was a pleasure shopping. If you enjoyed my service, please rate me 5 stars and feel free to leave a comment. And of course, thank you for tipping. Every dollar and cent is truly appreciated. Have a blessed week. Because I do. I mean, Instacart, you run off of tips. I am very thankful for those tips. They can be taken away from you. So I feel like we shouldn't take them for granted. We need to be thankful for them and show them that we're thankful for them. So many times, people have changed their tip in the end. They have upped their tip. And I do believe it's from these 3 messages. And it's from saying thank you. Thank you for the tip. I don't expect the tip, although, I mean, we know they're tipping beforehand, but they can take that away. Yeah, this has been just a really great way to also have them rate me in the end. If I'm asking them to please rate me, if you're happy, give me 5 stars, then they 50-50 chance they will rate me. So that's a win too, because it helps keep your rating up, which makes Instacart very happy. And then people leave comments that are so sweet and nice, and it makes you feel rejuvenated to get out there the next day. Because once the Instacart honeymoon is over, you can work really hard one day and then not want to work the next day sometimes. But just waking up, those comments are refreshed overnight. Just waking up to comments like, thank you so much. I couldn't leave my house. I can't leave my house. I'm elderly. I'm whatever it is. You were a pleasure to talk to. It helps you to motivate you. And they tip you better. They tip you better. Yesterday I had one of my best days, working on the clock 8-hour shift. I'm going to do a video on that because I think it's pretty good money. I think it's great money for something that anybody can apply to and start doing. And I feel like some people just don't realize that you can make some dough. You can make some dough on Instacart. You just have to do your best and service the customer, put them first, and you will make some money. Now, I also, on top of that, have received cash tips just from people being extra happy too. So they may not change their tip afterward, but they're handing me a cash tip at the door. I just had one 2 days ago. He ordered like 3 things from Costco and he tipped me really well in the app, and then he tipped me a cash tip at the door, which I love those cash tips. It's like, am I gonna go get my nails done? I don't know. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. If you liked this, give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later. God bless.